Good morning, student. My name is Gupta and I am here to teach you topic trigonometry. So what is trigonometry? Trigonometry is the branch of mathematics which deals with the study of measurement of triangle. So as you see the name trigonometry, trigono means triangle and metry means measurement. The measurement of triangle is known as trigonometry. We study, some students say that why we study trigonometry or what is the example in our daily life. So you can say that there is many examples in our daily life because we study trigonometry. We can set the direction, we can do a navigation. It is used in the navigation and also used to find the distance from the shore, or if you have to find the distance or height of the mountain, then you have to make an angle with the, if you know the distance where you are standing from and the mountain distance and the angle where you are from where you are watching the mountain, then you can find the height of the mountain by using the trigonometry. So first of all, we have to study about the basic theory and basic concept, such as there are 6 trigonometric ratios such as sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, sec theta, cosec theta and cot theta. So we have to study about these ratios. So first we will study about the ratio, trigonometric ratio. Then if you study the trigonometric ratio, then you can solve any questions about the height, distance or any questions of trigonometry. So first of all we study about the trigonometric ratio. So now trigonometric ratio. Here trigono means triangle and metry means measurement. And one thing, we will study the trigonometric ratio only in the trigonometry in the right angle triangle. Okay, so the right angle triangle, here ABC is a right angle triangle and this is a 90 degree at B and this is angle theta. So and we can say that this is perpendicular, this is hypotenuse and base. So just opposite to the 90 degree angle there is an hypotenuse, and from where you are taking a theta angle, that's from here the opposite of this is perpendicular. So there will be a, if you see from here the theta, if you take the theta here, then the perpendicular will be this and base will be this and hypotenuse will be this. So where the theta lies, from that respect with theta, with respect to theta, the change the perpendicular and base changes with it. So then we have to study about the trigonometric ratio. Trigonometric ratio, first of all we study about sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. So here sin theta means the formula of the sin theta is the perpendicular upon hypotenuse, means AB upon AC. And for cos theta, base upon hypotenuse, base BC upon AC. Tan theta, perpendicular upon base, that is AB upon AC. And for cot theta, base upon perpendicular, that is BC upon AB. Sec theta is equals to hypotenuse upon base, that is AC upon BC. And cosec theta is equals to hypotenuse upon perpendicular, that is AC upon AB. So you will get some problem in memorizing it, because so you can use this trick, or you can say that this is a concept of other thing, that you have to write first per P, B, P, H, H, B, or you can say that in Hindi or Pandit Badri Prasad Har bole for memorizing it or other thing. Then you have to write here sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta, and you have to study the sin theta perpendicular upon hypotenuse, cos theta base upon hypotenuse, tan theta perpendicular upon base, cot theta base upon perpendicular, sec theta hypotenuse upon base, cosec theta hypotenuse upon perpendicular. So by memorizing it, you can study, you can solve any questions of the trigonometry. So one theorem is here that if the trigonometric ratio are same for the same angle, if you change the trigonometric ratio, there will be no change in the angle. Same for same angle, the trigonometric ratio will be same for same angle. If you change the angle, trigonometric ratio will also change, but if the angle is same, then the trigonometric ratio will be same. So this is trigonometric ratio. You have to memorize it and then you have to solve the question.